Good day everyone and welcome to live webinar. So today live trading session. Let's see if we have some good setups to trade, and I hope that we will have something to watch. Basically all of our session recap trades were excellent. We made a lot of pips. Dollar CAD, New Zealand dollar, pound dollar. So yeah, definitely uh, we had a great session recap, and I hope that you enjoyed pips. All those results will be shown, of course, next Monday when we have session recap. But definitely we are making nice profits, nice pips with setups, and I hope that you make some pips too. So before we begin, standard disclaimer explaining that all online materials are available by Admiral Markets Estonia for a global audience, and you need to ensure that you fully understand risk disclaimer before you proceed further with me. Also, CFD and Forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So this video is not part of the .co.uk website, but the globalnews.com website. And fast, we will go through these rules before we continue with our live trading session. So we will use POC zones, master candle setups, bull waves, price action. Everything that you see here is my personal opinion and trades. We use either market on pending orders, no scalping allowed. We use also positional or breakout trading. No setup, no trade. That's why we can use pending orders. Once you're in trade, you need to do your own management. Recommended risk is 0.5 to 1%, and we should not exceed 2%. You want to trade like professionals, okay? So that is why we should keep it low risk. Have in mind that if you experience a loss, it's normal because losing is part of this business. And you should keep your risk under control. Session recaps are Monday to Wednesday. Pending orders are valid from Wednesday to Friday. And here, so these pending orders that we make here are valid from Wednesday to Friday. If we make market order, like we did, let's say last week, you remember we had a market order buy on euro dollar. Well, eventually we should think about taking profits on Friday, because Friday is generally the day when investors take profits. Use profit stops, and you can follow me on Torrential FX. First setup is trading opportunity on euro dollar, 1.0730, 10760 stop, 1660 is TP, and TP2 is 1.630. I will show you now. And this should happen before NFP, although NFP on Friday is expected to show good result just because of excellent ADP. Now, if you followed my live trade and my setup for euro dollar, you basically see that euro dollar is not moving much. But again, we made nice pips because my entry was 0.660. So we should have made 10, 15, 20 pips on it. Stop loss was 0.630, and stop loss has never been touched. So definitely good setups, even on pairs such as euro dollar that are really slow movers. Yeah, wish everyone who joined now, wish everyone warm welcome. Javier, thank you. Yama is saying joining from Toronto, great, and hello everyone. So yeah, we will shortly start with live potentials. I hope that we will have some market order too, okay? And definitely another trading opportunity, guys, is sell dollar yen. Of course, this should happen again, guys, prior to NFP. So if we see the setup prior to NFP, it would be really great. 111.60, it might come later, maybe during Asian session. Stop loss 111.62, TP 110. 0.90. So this is it. Okay, first euro dollar. Definitely euro dollar should have been bought on dips, as I told you. I mean, even though if you were selling it, well, it shouldn't have had a big impact, because euro dollar now, as I presumed, is making some bullish patterns here. You see the color changes from neutral to bullish, and here this long wick just signifies that at this point, guys, definitely euro dollar is bought on dips. But again, because we already bought euro dollar and we had a long trade on euro dollar, I will be looking to sell, simply because I think that 0.730 is a good level to sell, and I would like if it happens today. So here we can see some form of well, this is clear. This is form of inverted head and shoulders. You have a left shoulder here, head and right shoulder. ECC box indicator changes and is changing the color from neutral to blue, definitely. And here you might see that it's going up at this point. H5 is here, ATR pivot point is here, and we also have, guys, like you see this pattern here. It was supposed to be bullish pattern, okay? It's some sort of railway, but the problem is it was instantly rejected here. So this tells me that this was indeed a valid swing to the upside, and this was valid swing to the downside. Here we have 78.6. So within this region, I will be looking to sell if euro dollar gets there. 730 is the top point. We can sell around 720, 725. So those are points where we could sell. The thing here is that euro dollar is still in general downtrend. Now, if you watch higher time frames, you might see that, of course, daily, you see it's still making bearish rejections. But don't forget that daily also has an ascending trend line. If you drop to 4-hour time frame, you will also see that it's been bought on dips. And here, guys, on 4-hour time frame, it's making a rounded bottom here. You see a rounded bottom. 1-hour time frame, for me, that was really, I mean, I expected a much more than 15-20 pips on euro dollar, but I cannot move market myself. And guys, it's normal. I mean, if the range is like 60 pips, guys, watch this, ATR for last 14 days, 60 pips. I mean, even if you get 20 pips, you're still good, because you made like 30-40% of the range. You know, guys, I mean, market is very, very slow. So that is why I'm saying be very, very careful when you trade. And you definitely need to know that if the range is small, you definitely need to take profit before the, let's say, in average 70-80% of the range. So if you see that the pair has 60 pips, guys, having 20-30 pips is great. I mean, you cannot compare euro dollar to other currency pairs that are very fast. Even pound dollar, guys, is much better to trade. I mean, particularly, guys, I don't like to trade very, very slow pairs. I'm personally a trader who like to prefer, well, let's say average to fast moving pairs. I mean, not extremes like Hang Seng Index, of course, but definitely I prefer to trade those pairs that have a little bit more of a range. For example, if you plan to go euro dollar long, you can also watch, guys, for euro New Zealand long. Last night I made some 30 pips on Euro New Zealand, and also it's a cross session pair because Euro New Zealand moves during New Zealand session and during Tokyo session. So also pay attention to Euro New Zealand. It's a good pair, and also it's been bought on dips. And currently I think this could be a level to go long. So let's see if it can happen. This is clear order block rejection. This was, guys, I don't know how many of you know about Master Candle, but if you don't know what Master Candle is, definitely go and visit my price action trading school. If you traded Master Candle on Euro New Zealand, you had a great setup. Okay, so this was Master Candle breakout to the upside. So yeah, if it drops there, I think I will buy this one. Mario is saying that pound yen is moving very good, of course, because pound yen had a very good news today. I mean, pound had a very good news. Services PMI. I think that was the news for today. And you see how it actually, this was not a breakout trade setup, but this was Master Candle range. And you see that it went heavily to the upside after news announcements. Also, one way to trade Master Candle is to, let's say that you have the range and you know that this is the top and this is the bottom of the range defined by Master Candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles after this candle define Master Candle. So 4 candles that are contained within 35 to 150 pip candle are called Master Candle. So this is confirmed Master Candle. You also had a setup to the long side here that was basically going nowhere. It was up, down, up, down. But then again, this range could have been just if you place, let's say, a pending order prior to news here and or pending order there, you can actually activate the trade. Or you wait for the news first, and if you see that the reaction is good, that news for pound is good, you can actually open your long just above the range. Because the main thing with Master Candle is the range is well defined. Yeah, the range is really well defined. And that range usually will be retested again. Even if it's not retested, you can go long at the breakout of the range or go short depending on the news. And Yama is asking, he's commenting that the trade of the week was buying pound yen. Yes, I did a setup indeed. The setup was done also on Admiral Markets website, so you could have read it. Definitely pound yen was the trade of the week, and also session recap trades. So guys, don't miss these webinars. These are very important for you also to understand how price action is traded. And always, guys, have in mind the risk. The risk is most important thing in Forex market. Now, 4-hour euro-dollar master candle. I particularly don't trade 4-hour candles, guys. I really don't trade candles on 4-hour time frame. So here it is a master candle, but I always watch for 1-hour time frame. 4-hour is something that needs, I just do, let's keep it simple. I just do master candles on 1 hour. 4-hour is yet to be tested, in my opinion. I haven't traded it, I haven't tested it, so I really don't know. 1 hour is different. Now, guys, we will drop to 30-minute time frame, and let's try to find possible setup on wolf waves. My favorite time frame for wolf waves breakout is, of course, a 30-minute time frame. So definitely we will focus now on finding some maybe market orders. Let's see if we can find some market orders on 30-minute time frame. Okay, we need to watch for wolf waves, of course, guys. Here we had a breakout of dollar yen to the upside, the wolf wave, but it's already happening, so we don't have anything new here. Maybe Australian dollar, New Zealand, no. Australian dollar, CAD yen. Let's scan through these pairs. I mean, this is good. Euro CAD, wow, nothing here. Euro GBP, not a fast moving pair. Really, I don't see anything here that can give us some. Let's see, maybe Euro New Zealand has a valid wolf wave. No. I will go to your questions, guys, just as I finish scanning through these pairs. We don't see any valid wolf waves at this point. So definitely we need to wait for them. Oh, pound New Zealand, this is so good. This can also be a good order. We will get back to pound New Zealand. And maybe GBP Swissy. Yeah, but nothing here. Definitely the last wolf wave that was valid was here. See, a lot of different, lot of great setups on dollar yen. Yeah, wolf waves. So wolf waves, we don't have any setups. Also, guys, have in mind that each Wednesday we will scan live on wolf wave setups. And if we get a wolf wave setup that I think that are valid, we will trade it also by market orders. Okay? Guys, also have in mind that the indicator itself is not enough for me to tell buy or sell, because I never buy or sell with indicators. Indicators are just there to help me find a potential trade. If I see that the setup is good, I might trade it. Obviously, we could have traded this because it happened at the bottom of ATR, and also it was L4 short breakout. Now we can also scan other time frames to see if the trade is justified from piggyback perspective. I explained what piggyback is. We are riding current time frame on a higher time frame momentum. So this was, you see, a good setup. And every Wednesday we will go also, guys, through different time frames, especially, I mean, 1 hour and M30. And M30 will be and is exclusive for wolf waves. And if we see a wolf wave setup, we will trade it live. Now, guys, it's a volatile session. I mean, it should be a volatile session, but you see pairs are just shooting their average true range a lot because of ADP. So that is why at this point we don't see anything that we can say, okay, let's make market order here. We cannot place market order unless we don't see anything that is tradable. So that is why we go with pending orders. But again, we will, if we see a setup with market order, we will trade it, as we did last Wednesday. Angel, Nenad, on euro dollar 4 hour we have master candle. Yes, I already explained we don't trade it on 4 hour. FOMC might impact euro dollar along with dollar CAD. Yes, but I don't think that today's FOMC will have a huge impact on pairs. It should move price instantly, but it should not make any new trend. Yes, if you have some trades running prior to FOMC and they're in profit, you need to protect it. If not, you have a stop loss. We will go through gold, Angel, a little bit later. Raymond is asking what are some fast pairs. Fast pairs. Let's say pound dollar is okay. Euro New Zealand. Pound Australian dollar is also okay. Pound yen. Pound New Zealand is extremely fast pair. Okay. So you can focus on those. So my focus now, pound dollar. Okay, euro yen, not bad, but on average, pound yen, pound New Zealand. So euro New Zealand, pound yen, pound New Zealand. Those are very, pound CAD can also be a fast mover. Generally, those pound minor crosses are also good to trade. And those are pairs that I like to watch. Also, good pair to trade is, I mean, I traded it back then. Now it's not fast mover, dollar Swissy. It's totally opposite of euro dollar. It's like euro dollar in the mirror. So I don't trade it now. And also you can pay some attention to dollar, Singapore dollar, okay? Also, if you have it, you can pay attention to it. Now, the question is, can we sell pound Swissy now? Pound Swissy set up from yesterday, right? You're referring, it's in POC zone. Guys, but it already is rejecting. I missed this setup because, well, I knew what POC zone is, but I haven't traded it. But guys, if you are in this trade, this was your POC zone. Yesterday, I gave you this setup to trade with. So first, you had the rejection within POC zone here, but then after news, you have a full entry within POC zone. So I wouldn't sell it at this point, because if you sold it, it should have already been done, okay? You cannot sell something that is already dropping. This was, guys, GBP Swissy. This was head and shoulders, and I said if it drops here, this is a breakout sell, and here it is. So it's already dropping from POC zone. The biggest problem here, guys, is GBP had a very positive news today. So I personally, it's in the zone, but I personally now would just stay away from it, simply because GBP had an extremely, I mean, this was for PMI, that was a very, very good result. So I would say that if you are in profit, guys, take your profit, okay? You need to take profits. I mean, that is what I would do. I am not saying that you should, but if you're in profit, profit taking now is suggested, or protecting it. First thing, guys, services, PMI, you see numbers are good. This is very good report for pound. Also have in mind that, again, in 1 hour we'll have ISM non-manufacturing PMI. So this will all move pound crosses. I personally think that pound is still, pound Swissy of course, is still sell on rallies, but maybe you should restrain from it today, just because of these breakout candles that happened after news. And I'm sure if the news was not that good, if the news definitely, let's say, had not been that good, we would have had a sell trade at this point where I showed on my analysis. We would probably have had a sell around 24.40 if we hadn't seen such a good news. Yes, dollar had the result, but don't forget that you don't trade pound dollar, you trade pound Swissy, guys. Okay? Pound Swissy. It's different cross. It's not dollar. It's different cross. And mostly now the market has been driven by good pound news. This is not Swissy news that move pound. You need to use your logic, guys. This is pound that moves this market now, pound Swissy. So at this point, we have a rejection. No problem. Angel is saying, sorry, Nenad, my mistake. No, there is no stupid question. There is no, just, you can ask whatever and comment whatever you think it's appropriate, of course, and do not be sorry. Of course, I'm here to explain. I'm here to help you understand also news reports and market crosses and movements. So GBP Swiss is different cross than pound dollar. We can put a correlation matrix here. So this is available through Admiral Market Supreme Edition, and you can have it, of course, unlimited if you own live account. So here, guys, we will put GBP Swissy. We have GBP. Okay, we have GBP dollar. I will remove some of these for your convenience. Okay, and I don't need these now. So we'll put GBP Swissy. and go with 200 bars. Okay, so you see guys, GBP Swissy only plus 11 here. You see? Only plus 11. So it's not big confluence. It's like they're moving, but still they're not moving in the, totally in the same direction. Now if you put this to H4 bars, you see that they're actually moving. So what it means, on intraday time frame, they can move, they cannot, they're not so into the same movement. If pound dollar goes up, it means that pound Swissy can go down. But on intra-week time frames, then pound Swissy definitely has a good correlation. So that is what I'm saying. Pound is moving the market at this point. If pound goes up now, most of these crosses will go up. Some will go up to big extent, some will go up to lesser extent. Pound dollar, because of dollar good result, might not have the similar movement as pound Swissy. Pound will go up, Swissy no news, pound goes up, dollar good news. Do you understand the logic? Good news for dollar might move pound dollar to the upside slightly. But then it could move pound Swissy much more because the news was not good for, there was no good news for Swissy. Only good news was for dollar, right? So pound dollar are under the impact. Pound Swissy is not under the impact. So that is why I still think that pound Swissy might, even though my technical analysis is obviously okay, I'm not so confident that today we will see a big rejection on pound Swissy. And that is the only thing why I don't make a sell trade at this moment, why I'm not making anything. So this is rejecting from POC. If you are in trade, you can take profits. That is what I would do. I'm not saying that you should do. That is what I would probably do if I had the trade open. Dylan is saying, if you make market or if you already made market or pending, could you repeat it? Yes, only pending order. Now market order, I would really love to make a market order now. But guys, the problem is we don't have a setup for market order now. I will still scan. Of course, we still have time. I will still scan from some movement. Maybe we will have something. You see, this is a trading opportunity in euro dollar, and it's valid until Friday, because on Friday we will have NFP, and of course dollar yen. Here, guys, also before NFP, you should definitely consider this, okay? Now, let's do another scan in the market. Okay, we need to do another scan in the market to see if we have anything to go. Inam is asking, can I enter now GBP Swissy? I said it's up to you. It is already rejecting, but news for pound was very good. So that is why I'm a little bit concerned about pound drop. But technically it's okay. But you need to think logically. Euro dollar, very slow, guys. This is really what I don't like to see. We don't have anything here, guys. Simply nothing. You see, pairs are just ignoring. Only dollar yen here. Dollar CAD. Yeah, I don't see anything viable to trade at this point on wolf waves. So no valid wolf wave. Something that we can... Yeah, this is okay, guys. But you need to open 1 hour time frame. And I would go with, these are all momentum candles, but we need a retracement in order to trade this. Usually we take only one Marubozu. But here, guys, yeah, we don't see a single candle. We only have multiple candles. But generally, let's say this is order block here. Yeah, 40 pip retracement is okay. 150 is ATR, 40 pip retracement not bad. Yes, guys, one more thing. I hope that you remember our classes from price action trading school. Retracement on euro dollar, let's say 40 pip retracement on pound New Zealand is not the same as 40 pip retracement on euro dollar. Watch this ATR. Guys, ATR indicator should be one of your main tools. 150 is ATR for last 14 days. So if we see a retracement from this spot to this spot, it's 50 pip retracement. It's okay. For 150 pip movement, 50 pip retracement is okay to make another long trade. But guys, it's not the same as for euro dollar, because euro dollar ATR 14 range is 60 pips. So let's say that 10-15 pips retracement is good for euro dollar. You see the difference? That is why some people think they can enter a shallow retracement on some pairs. Well, usually if they do, they lose. Shallow retracement is only for pairs that don't have big ATR. So I'm looking at this spot here. It's ATR pivot point. It would be H3 retest because H3 now is support. So yes, I'm looking here, guys. I think we might make a pending order there. I think we might make a pending order there. Yes. Okay, here pending order has been placed. Of course, my stop loss for this pair need to be a little bit deeper, and it needs to be below 78.20. So yeah, 78.20 would be my stop loss. It's 43 pips. 43 pips of a stop loss. So yeah, let's make it. And I want to see a slow grind into the market. TP for this one, obviously I think the ATR will be overshot. So let's stick to full ATR. That is 79.50 for today. But I don't think it might happen today, but just in case. I would even leave this trade overnight, guys, because pound New Zealand also moves during the night. So, I mean, during Asia session. Yeah, I would just slightly remove my TP. Just give me a second. 79.40. So guys, here, TP slightly below full ATR projection. This is buy limit. This is stop loss. So definitely uptrend on pound New Zealand, guys. I don't really need anything to tell me this is uptrend because it's clear. Basic principle, guys, of trend is higher highs, higher lows, uptrend. Trust pullback, trust pullback, trust pullback. You really don't need to have a, I don't know, to be a master in forex trading to know these kind of things. So this is uptrend, clearly, guys, clearly uptrend. Now also here you can see that there is an X cross. See, there is an X cross with H3. It's inner trend line that is making an X cross. 78.20 is stop loss. I will also make a slide. So 78.64. So guys, here, trading opportunity, pound New Zealand. And don't ask me for market orders, simply because I will make market order as I did last week and week before it, but that is because I saw a good setup. If I don't see a good setup, I will not enter market order, guys. It's simple as that. Okay, here 1.7864, stop loss is 1.7820. TP is 1.7940. Okay? So let's see if this will happen. As I say, I might leave this trade overnight if it happens. Pound yen, yes, and also guys, you see the breakout. So this definitely is, you see, triple top here. Very strong confluence on pound New Zealand. Very, very strong confluence. Also, ECN account has a very low spread, guys. Only 1 point something pip spread. It's very low. Pound yen buy on rallies. Also buy on rallies. Definitely for pound yen. Let's see, guys, if we have anything more to trade. But I don't see anything. As I said, guys, there were no big movements after ADP announcement. I hope that you also enjoyed the New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar was very good to trade, guys, to the short side. I hope that you enjoyed it. Yes, definitely nothing to trade at this point. Now potential longs also on pound yen, but unfortunately, yeah, pound yen, we don't have anything to make a market order now. Watch pound yen, so good. So where this could maybe be a sell trade here, guys, but we need to see divergence on CCI here, rejection, and I would like to see a bearish reversal candle set up here. But it's still going up, and full ATR is a couple of pips away. I mean, it's already overshot, so this yellow line has been moved above ATR projection. So this is it, guys. If you know that, you should have known so far. So this indicator, ATR, usually display this as projection lines, these dotted lines. When ATR projection is overshot, as here, you see 139 versus 132. It means that yellow ATR pivot that was below and above these dotted lines will move. So it's not repainting. It's simply telling you that it's already been overshot. And this is the overshot yellow point. Pound New Zealand, of course, we will be buying it. Okay, this is Pound Zealand setup. Yes, one more thing, guys. If you don't know how to find different pairs, right-click symbols, then left-click show all. You should be able to see all symbols. This is the entry. Not now, it's pending order. 78.64, 78.20, and 79.40. Here, these are your trading opportunities. This one, and this one. Let's do a quick scan again on some potential wolf waves. No, we don't see. New Zealand dollar. What did I tell you guys to sell? If you sold it here, you could have made nice pips. New Zealand dollar. Remember, sell trade on other markets. It was one of really great performance. Although New Zealand is very, very slow, I like how this setup performed. And here, guys, this was setup that I did. New Zealand dollar bearish channel in progress. Here, guys, if you sold it there, okay, you see? So it's going down. Let's see, maybe what a slow moving pair. 47 pips ATR. This is funny, really. CAD Swissy. Oh, this is very slow also. Yeah, we really don't have anything at this point. Maybe here, nothing. And this one, yeah, no wool base at this point, guys. And simply there are no entries now at sorry, at this point in market. Chinese yuan, I don't think it's here. Yeah, it's on other markets platform, not on ECN though. We don't have it here on ECN. Okay, so there is no setup. You can trade it on different Arbor Markets platform. It's account. This is ECN. You can trade that on standard account. Let's see if we can have a pullback on dollar yen to actually buy dollar yen, but I'm not seeing anything here. Yeah, there is no retracement here, guys. There is no retracement. So the only thing is left to sell this one, because on higher time frames we have a sell. On 1 hour you see it going up, so there is no retracement to buy it. It's closer to a sell trade. Yeah, dollar yen. Wow, Euro New Zealand is a good pair to trade, much better than Euro dollar, and it's in a good correlation with Euro dollar, guys. So definitely pay attention to this pair. Euro New Zealand, and here we have Euro dollar. Euro dollar. You see 71% correlation. That's great. Let's see intraday time frames. Wow, yeah, I thought so, because I trade Euro New Zealand. Yes, 92. So guys, my advice as a trader, if you want to trade Euro dollar, trade Euro New Zealand. If you see a setup on Euro dollar, try to find setup on Euro New Zealand. This will provide you with much higher pip count if you're good with your trade than it's Euro dollar, simply because ATR range is much better of Euro New Zealand. So that is what I would do, definitely, and that is what I'm doing. I traded Euro New Zealand last night. So you see, guys, Euro New Zealand, we don't have any setup here, so we definitely need to stick up to pending orders now. And don't worry, every time I see a good entry as a market order on live webinars, rest assured that I will trade it. But I will not go blindly into a trade if I don't see any retracement. So we really, guys, need to see a good retracement before we make entries, or master candle breakout, or wolf wave trade. That is what we do here on Wednesday live trading sessions. I'm teaching you also how to fish. You can take entries if you want what I make, but I'm also teaching you how to watch this market in a good way, in a way of a professional trader. Australian dollar, New Zealand. Let's see. Again, guys, no setup here. This was ABCD, perfectly valid. A to C, B to D. This was top of ATR, so you see how it was sold. This is also a slow mover, but its pip value is higher than other pairs, Euro GBP. Oh, master candle setup here. Unfortunately, guys, watch this master candle setup. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Next candle broke to the upside. I like these master candles. Yes, Christian is saying for Admiral ECN account, I need minimum 1K deposit. Yes, you need a minimum 1K to open an ECN account, definitely. Let's scan some more. Yeah, we really don't see anything here. Yeah, no retracement, nothing. Next question. Paul is asking, is pound New Zealand dollar valid if it goes to target first? No. Pound New Zealand is not valid. Wait. Yes, it will be valid. No. If it hits today, no problem. Because I will leave this trade overnight. It will be valid. Paul, for this setup, it's valid. Good question. I will definitely leave this pending order here. Because this is, as I said, even though if it, let's say if it goes there, for example, hitting ATR, full ATR, you see guys, it's still 5061.8. It's not shallow like something like 23.6. This is still good retracement, and it's still good considering that this, you see ATR is very, very big with pound New Zealand, guys. It's really the beast. We traders call it a beast. Egils is asking, I agree with you about market orders. Market will be always there, and it is no reason to get in a trade just to have a trade. We are traders and not gamblers. Indeed, Egils. Exactly. So yeah, nothing guys here to trade. You see euro dollar is making 10 pips up and down, and it's literally not tradable from market order perspective. Only pending orders allowed. Yeah. But I hope maybe we will see these pending orders activated. I don't know. I would like to see master candle set up, but there are no valid master candles at this point. Only master candles that are already there. But what I would do is ISM manufacturing index will come in 25 minutes. So yes, dollar yen, indeed. This is my dollar yen setup. If it gets here, I will sell 111.60. This is stop loss. This is target. Let's see. This is euro dollar, and this is GBP New Zealand. 3 pending orders. If you have any question, guys, you can ask me now. This is now in focus from my side. Dollar yen, simply because we have ISM manufacturing index in 25 minutes. And if ATR is overshot, I will sell it. 30 pips stop loss. Angel is asking about gold. Gold is here. It's dropping. So this doesn't look that good to trade at this point. This looks like M. This can be M. But it also looks like inverted head and shoulders that has been played out. Pay attention to possible rejections here. Triple bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, this is good level. Definitely the zone, 144.50 to 65. Yes, this one. Watch for this one, guys. Very, very good rejection zone. I think this could reject from this spot. Yes, Angel is a gold trader, indeed. Lynn, you're right, indeed. Pound New Zealand is buy limit. Yes, sorry, maybe I made a typo here. Yes, pound, yes, guys, I will correct this. This is buy. Sorry, I will correct this right now. This is it. Okay, so of course, buy order here. Yeah. And gold, this could be rejection spot. Just pay attention, because historically it rejected from this spot, so pay attention to it. Okay guys, I will go through these slides once more. Unfortunately, market is not moving much, so we cannot make market order now. If I saw something to give you right now in right moment, guys, I would always place a market order. But it does not mean that next time we will not have market order. Here, guys, you have pending orders. These pending orders are valid until Friday. Euro dollar, clear entries, sell stops. Dollar yen, these are trading opportunities. And pound New Zealand. This is what I will do, so you can choose what you will do too. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that we will make even more pips this week. Pay attention to NAP. It should be volatile. It should move the market. And I hope that you enjoyed also great analysis that I posted last couple of days. You could have made nice pips. Thank you guys. I wish you a great trading week. And let's make pips again on Monday. Don't forget to sign up for session recap. Cheers everyone. Trade safe.